everyone, welcome to this session. Today we will discuss about HANA Studio. If in case any user has been logged in HANA Studio while logging, then how you can reset the password or you can unlock the users. So let's we are going to show you how you can unlock the user of any HANA Studio users. Okay, so I'll show you. Yeah. So this is the error. Okay. While logging into the SAP HANA Studio, you will see secure storage is locked. Okay. So you have to unlock it. So how we can unlock it? So I'll show you in this session. So now I am going to log in into the HANA Studio. So this is the HANA Studio. We already logged into it. Okay. So now you have to log in. You can see the left panel. We have added the system. Okay, just double click on this. So it will ask you to user and name and password. Okay. So before going to login and password, okay. So what I need to do, I need to unlock it because it was locked. So how you can unlock? You have to go into window preference. Okay. Under general tab, you will have a security. You can see security. Under security, you have a secure storage. Just double click on this. And there is a here option called clear password. Okay, click on clear the password. So once clear the password, you can say apply and then apply and close. Okay, so your basically HANA Studio is going to unlock the users. Okay, so let's close this session and start new sessions. You can again open your HANA Studio. So here we are opening the HANA Studio again. Yes, you can see here. Now already the system has been added. If you want to add, you can add new. Otherwise, it already added here. Okay. So I have to check the username and password. Already details are given here, like HANA's host name, instance number, user. Okay, and password is welcome 123 address 123. So let's double click on this, and username is a Ben, and password I am giving here. Yes, once give the password, click on OK button. So now you can successfully log in into HANA Studio. So your user has been unlocked successfully. So now you can check here all the catalogs, all the schema are available here, all the provisionings, content, everything is here. Okay, see security, everything is here. So this is how basically we can unlock any user in HANA Studio. So this is the way we can have already explained. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.